Pogea Racing took some time to develop an aerodynamic body kit highlighted by the big wing at the back. Most of the new bits and pieces are made from carbon fiber to keep the weight low by shaving off 42 kilograms, 93 pounds, while the custom 21-inch wheels come wrapped in Michelin tires. Photos of the interior have not been provided, but there are plenty of ways to spice up the cabin to complement the upgrades made on the outside. If you happen to have a Ferrari 488 GTB in your garage and are willing to give it a dose of tuner-prescribed steroids, Pogea Racing says it will only convert 20 cars and all the changes will be made in Germany. The limited-run FPlus Corsa was revealed this week on the occasion of a 2018 Top Marks event in Monaco, where the company announced the upgrade package is going to kick off at $35,000, which works out to about $43,100 at current exchange rates.